दिवपाक सो अगर जर तुमचे नाही वता आणि जर आमचो मेयर साहेब हे पळयता जाल्यार आमी तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी सगळी विनंती करता कृपा करून येयात तुम्ही आणि आमचें म्हणणें कितें आसा तें तरी आयकून घेयात आणि मागीर आमचो प्रश्न जो आसा तो सुटावो करात तुम्ही आमी विनंती करता 30 लोक आमच्या बरोबर आसा जे नुस्तेमारी करता पळय आणि आमचे चरितार्थ चलयता 30 लोक आमच्या बरोबर आसा ते 30 लोकांचो परिवार ताजेर अवलंबून आसा म्हळ्यार 100 लोकां तरी आसतली तांचो व्यवसायाचो जो माध्यम आसा तो जर हातींतल्यान तुम्ही काढून घेतलो जाल्यार कशें जातलें सांगा भौतीक प्रगती खातीर भौतीक प्रगतीक लागून तुम्ही मनशांचो जगपाचो अधिकार काढून घेवंक शकना म्हणून आम्ही तांच्या वतीन आम्ही सगळी विनंती करता पण जी ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट हांगासर एकठांय जाली हेच करपा खातीर आमचो न्याय मागपा खातीर आमचो हक्क आमचो अधिकार मागपा खातीर पळोवया कितें जाता मेन डिमांड हीच आसा की तांची ती खरेदी जाली तांची थंयसर ती नुस्तेमारी करता मनशां तुमकां दाखवू शकता आमचो बाग आसा पळय तो तुमकां सांगता सांगता बाग यो फुडें यो बदनाम बाग विलासरी बाग
तुमकां म्हणून आमी रॅम्प केला पळय असो तेजो डिझायन ह्या सायडीन सुरू ह्या सायडीन सुरू पडटा भितर व्हरून आतां तो दाखयलो कितें लॅपटॉपार हाडून तेणे झेरॉक्स हाडून दाखोवंक लॅपटॉपार दाखयलो आमी पयले ओके म्हणलें ताका गेले आतां थिंगासर धोको रॅम्प बांदलो सगळें जालें पण आमकां थिंगा लुगारूच दिवना आतां आमी आमचो फोन्यो फुट्टा जाता चोरयो जाता म्हणून भितर हाडलो थिंगा एक रेल्वेचो व्हडलो हातून लुगार उरला थिंगा आमी दवरलो आतां पयर आमकां सांगलें कितें की थिंगासरले तुमी काडपाचें हांव कितें म्हणटा आमी इतले वर्सां तिका काम करता आतां तुमी फोन्यो काड म्हणटा आमी काडटा बरें आहा पूण दवरूंकूय तिका आतां फाल्यां नुस्तें पडलें तर ताका वाटोवपाक प्लेस जावं पडटा आमी दर्यान दवरून काय तें नीट करूंक जायना अरे पण आमी आतां मेयराक कितें रिक्वेस्ट केलें तर आमकां कितें करून दिना तूं काड म्हणटा आमकां रॅम्प करून दिता म्हणल्यार तेणें फुटींगपणां केलीं कोण येयलो तो स्मार्ट सिटीन तूं तरी आमचें पळोवंक जाय तुका आतां पडलें तुका लागता तुवें तर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कितें घेवंक जाय न्हू कित्याक आमी आतां इतल्या वर्सांचे हेंच काय न्हू 5 वर्सां 10 वर्सां ना वचून दुसऱ्या डिपार्टमेंटान चॅक केल्यार जाता आमची नांवां काडटा आमचो इतलो डिमांड आसा की आमकां एक रॅम्प करून दिना जाल्यार ते रॅम्प हातीना तरी आमकां आसा तरी कोणी काडून दी
कितले जाणा तुमी कितले जाणा
आमचे सगळे 30 बरे आसा 30 बरे आसा
डीबी ग्राउंडाकडे
पहिले जे ओल्ड जेएमसी आसलेली पळय तेजे फुडल्यान हे पयलें काम पाला आतां तेजे नांवाचेर जायत आसा
होय होय तेजे कुशी
आतां तो वेदा पुतलो बांदला पळय परशुरामाचो तेजे आयल्यान ते आख्खी कंपाल पीस पयली आमी तेन्ना इतल्या वर्सांचो तुमी आसा आमी काय तुमकां काय डिमांड करूं फकत आमकां तुमी जो आमकां सांगला रॅम्प बांदून दिता तो बांदून दिया ना रॅम्प बांदिना ती रॅम्प हातीनाच आमी पोन्यो काडटा जर तूं आमकां व्हर म्हणून आमी खंय वतले तो काय धाकटे पोन्यो म्हणजे खंय व्हरत उडोवंक आनी खंय म्हूण उडयता सगळे कडेन जो लोक धंदो करता तेंचो सगळ्यांचे पोन्यो आपल्या आपल्या लुगार हांवें पयलीं सांगला अरे बिचाच्या लोकांच्या तिगाच पोन्यो वता आमचेच खंय वयतले सगळे पणजे जे आसा तुमी पणजे कितें आमी पणजेचे थोडे आहा थोडे चिंबलचे आहा थोडे सगळे आनी ते कोण तिंगा बँक बिजनेस करता पयलीं सगळे फुटलेलेच आसा सगळे गोंयचेच आसा भायर कोण आसूं पूण आमची रिक्वेस्ट आहा तांकां की ते क्लियर तरी आमचे दिवचें 30 कोटी आमचे तितली रिक्वेस्ट केल्या
रेंज जे आसा रेंज बांदून दिता ते मारता
पळय आतां आमकां जाल्यार बिचारी पळय आमी हें करता आर्टिस्ट दिता पळय त्यो कापपा लागले इतल्या वर्सांच्यान आमी थिंगासर नुस्तें मारता ती हेड ती खंय पासून हाडलेली फुडल्या नाला काजा मी ती हेड हाडली आनी तेजे तेन्ना फातर घालून 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 ती हेड पुरयलेली आनी तुमी तिका भितर आतां कितें कितें दुसरें कितें जायत आसा आमकां तितून कांय प्रॉब्लम ना आमी केन्ना तुमकां प्रॉब्लम केला इतलीं वर्सां आमी केन्ना ऑब्जेक्शन सुद्दां हाडूंक ना राणे जेन्ना वळप तेन्ना जेणे भितर गाडयांचें केलें आमी कोणाक ऑब्जेक्शन करूं म्हणजे आमी भायरूच आसले आमी भायरूच आसूं ती म्हणटा सगळ्यांचे हय सगळे कट्टणा पोरसानूय आसा तशेंच डिपार्टमेंटानूय आसा भायर ना
टोटल जागो आसा तितको व्हडी तुमकां
हय,
जागो
आतां
आसा
आतां जो जागो आसा तो आमकां पुरो.
ते कित्याक आतां काडपाक कितें जालें
आतां ते दिसान आतां चालू सांगूंक आमकां काय
पण मेयरान सांगलें तुमकां
मेयर येयलो नासता.
मेयरान सांगलें काडपाक
आतां ना मेयरान आमकां कांय सांगूंक ना. सांगलें फिशी रेडी आमकां.
फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटाचे सायबा तो मेयर ताका येवन मेवलो काय ताणें फोन करून सांगलें आमकां खबर ना ताणें सांग
तुमकां मेमोरेंडम घेऊन आयला ही आमची यो बा पुढे यो.
सिटो सिटो सिटो.
हे बघा. मिलन्स बा यो पुढे यो. तर आमचा प्रॉब्लेम किती असते ते सरांनी सांगितलं. शांत करा. काय
स्मार्ट सिटी एरियांचे आमकां तुमकां मातशें प्रॉब्लेम भायर काडले दोनी कित्याक आमचें थिंगा काम चालू आमी नाही बांदता गोंय पाणी एरिया बरें आनी मागीर आमकां कितें काय विचारलें ते कोण येता ते तेणें सांगलें तुमकां आमी सारको ढोको बांदून दिता दोनी वर्सां तुमी बरें वयर काडपाचें आनी भितर तिना झाडां दवरपाचें म्हणजे बरें आमी बरें भायर काडलें काडलें जाल्यार आतां लँड सगळो जालो रेडी जालो पण आमकां रेडी करूनच दिवना काय खबर ना एटलीस्ट प्लेस ताणें 30 मिटर प्लेस दवरला ताका फातर काडून ऊस करून सकयल दवरला मिडियमार हिंगा करून दिता म्हणून करूंक ना आतां गेल्या पावसांत कोण्या फुटलें मातशें मिशीर येता तो आमी ब्रीज बांदला तो तेच्या भितर हाडला पळय थिंगा दवरला तुमी पळय येयलेले दिसता तो आतां म्हणल्यार फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट तुमकां सरान सांगला पर्यो काड म्हणून आसा तो सांग आनी सर कित्याक तिना सगळे काडले सर तर आमकां लुकार ना आमची रिक्वेस्ट आसा तुका तूं तरी आमचे मातशें आयकून घे ते सांगता तिना आहा तिना दवर ना जाल्यार तांकां सांग मातशें आमकां रिग्रेट मारून
See, I don't know who told you what, but first of all, that property is not with the corporation. It's with the forest department. I cannot tell forest department officials what to do, and we have never done that. It's not like I woke up after 3
yesterday
years
also
and told them.
that the concerned person came there and he was asking them to
See,
decide.
they had wanted to build a retaining wall. That was for that. It was not to remove anybody. If I wanted to remove it, I would have asked them 5 years ago. I would have not waited until now to do it. So I don't know who told you about it. Now this also comes under smart city. It is not under me. So the memorandum, if you want, I can forward it to smart city. It's not an issue. If you want, we can have a joint inspection. That is not a problem that I have. But whoever told you what and all is not a thing. So I have no right and forest department what to do. It is their property.
But this smart city project directly affected on them.
So that
Because
is
they have told them to remove their stuff from there.
Yeah, but that is to be taken up with smart city MD, you know.
Okay.
That is not. If you want, I can arrange a meeting with you all. We'll have an inspection and everything to make sure. If their livelihoods are at stake, it's
That will be monthly.
but that's what I'm saying.
So
It's
आमच्या
better ways of
घराचो
doing it.
इशू म्हणजे इट्स लायक पोजेचो एमएलएच्या पयलीं आमकां आसता मेयर आनी आमचो कितें कितें मेयर्स आसा ते आमी
No, that you move. See,
Yeah.
what she said was something else. She said I had said to remove,
No,
which
no.
is not true. If you are doing
They
something,
people told me that yesterday one person came there and he was taking your name.
then like that anybody can take my name.
Yes,
So it doesn't mean
that's
that I have
what
said
I
it. No?
told them that anybody can do this.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean that you are responsible for that.
But that is what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's why we came to you.
Yeah.
सत्य कितें आसा पळय ते जाणून घेवपा खातीर आमी तुमच्या कडेन आयली आनी रिक्वेस्ट करपाक कित्याक पणजीची सगळी जर जापसालदारकी तुमच्या कडेन आसा जाल्यार ती बी बारीक मनशां आसा पळय तांची बी आसा तुमच्या कडेन तांचेर अन्याय जाता सर
We are the ones who we are the ones who represent them the most. If you go to any of our offices, they are people like him are always at our offices. It is not like there's big or small. There is no question of that.
जी सर
We are here to look after everyone's interests. Their rights are to be things.
Yes.
Obviously, we will protect their rights. There is nothing like that. See, if you want now, no, I will take this letter. I will forward it to the Smart City MD. We can have one joint inspection of JSIDC, Smart City MD, and all of us. And whatever the issues are, we can sort out. And forest officials, and whatever issues they have, we can sort out in one shot. No? This you giving a memorandum is not going to solve any issues. No? We have to go to the site and actually check and see what the issues are.
we have to start from somewhere.
That is not an
That's
issue.
why we
So
came
you all
to
tell me when you
once.
all are free, no, first. To have a meeting. I will forward a message to all of them. You tell me when you all are free, and then they are free.
They people have done the crime. They have given the memorandum to all.
Hmm. Oh. Last year. What happened after this?
Nothing, sir. So this year, the people came and asking them to remove their stuff from there. So when
What
they
is
will go?
between forest department and them? I don't know what their issue is. This is not a problem. No. So you tell me when you want to have a meeting with everybody. We'll schedule a joint meeting. No. So whatever issues are there, they can be resolved straight away. No. Meeting in the office around is not going to resolve anything. So it's better we meet on site and ask those people to meet all of you. And if there are any issues, then we can take up the issues immediately. Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, this is the next-
Yeah, you just give me a date and you tell me when you are going to meet.
So primarily what we can
So right now you cannot do anything.
no, we can give you the memorandum. You will accept the memorandum I'm asking you.
That is not an issue. You can give me whatever you want. It's not a problem. That's fine. Yeah.
Can
No,
we
if it goes, it carries a weight, if you give this,
Yeah.
although it is not coming under you,
Mm.
but if you forward it.
No,
like,
that is not an issue at all. You can forward it. It's not a problem. Yeah. Not an
Can
issue.
we take a photo?
Yeah, that's not a problem.
तू माझं तू गेला
It's
ना,
not
ना,
for
तूच
you
जा.
to abolish somebody else and set somebody else.
Regarding the visit that they had said that I had made, I think there was a proposal for a retaining wall to be built where their boats are kept. So I clearly told the forest people, I said, I am not interested in doing anything until you all resolve your issues first. It cannot be a thing. So until their interests are taken care of. See, I have no issue with thing. I have nothing to do with that project. So it is forest department land. It's a smart city issue. Now the memorandum they've handed over to me regarding the issues will be considered. We will forward it to the concerned departments and we can schedule a joint inspection just to have all their issues addressed.
So, but it is not a smart city work.
GSID is a smart city issue. See what old, I think they were supposed to give them access on the Mandovi side, but when there was blocks, so they've given them access on this side. So I think there's one dispute between forest department and these people. That area has not been kept properly. All of those issues they had mentioned to me. That is not my area, so I cannot do anything. Now that they've brought the memorandum, we can take it up with the concerned authorities and check and see what is to be done. Yeah.
Site inspection will do this with other authorities.
Yeah, when they're free and all, let them get in touch with me. No? Then I will call all the department people and we can have a joint inspection. Then they can address all the issues, whatever they are.
Fishing jetty है notified नहीं.
No, that is what I don't know. I have to check and see also now. We'll have to write to the department first and see what the actual picture is. Whether it is a notified thing, whether it's a traditional thing, they've been using it for a long time. So all of that, all those details we will check at that inspection site only. Let them bring all their documentation, whatever they have, and let the fisheries department and come also and see. Yeah.
Another topic.
What is it?
Smart city.
What is it?
So just to